Hey, it's Brian with Tektro IT, and today I have a quick tech tip for you that is sure to save your day. Today's tip is a keyboard shortcut, and it's Control Shift T, or if you're on a Mac, Command Shift T. And what that does is if you are in your web browser and you close out of a tab, you're like, oops, I actually need that back. Control Shift T brings that tab right back. So I'm always closing tabs I didn't mean to close, or I close it and then a couple minutes later I need it back. So I will hit Control Shift T and it comes right back. And you can actually do this for multiple tabs. If you close out of multiple ones, you can just keep pressing it. It'll open them back up in the reverse order in which they were closed. So the last one you closed will come back. Likewise, if you close out of the whole browser window and you open up a new browser session, you hit Control Shift T and all 47 of your tabs come back. So this one is really a lifesaver that I use all the time, and I hope it helps you too. See ya.